Guys, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? So usually I don't do this sort of video on this channel, so I mainly do fashion here, but I sometimes do like self-care. So I did a video just to show maybe this might be helpful to 1 or 2 people out there, because I have a very dry skin and my feet really get like the colors really get toughened. So this is how I maintain my feet at home. I thought, as you can see for the clips, you could see that it often cracks if it's not treated. It's like I have not been on top of it for probably for a long time. So you know, spring is coming, so I thought I would just give it a good treat. So as you can see from here, I'm just going to take my nail polish off. So I'm just rubbing the nail polish off and really give it a good clean before I proceed with the treatment. So now I'm just going to file my feet. So this is what I do, because there was once I went to Nigeria and there's somebody that actually taught me this technique. I don't know if it's wrong or right. It might not work for everybody, but it certainly worked for me because I have very dry excess skin on my feet. Before I start like even soaking, what I usually do, I really do file down. As you can see with my filing, with my foot file, I really file it down. You could see the excess skin just turn it to dust, just falling off. So, and you can see that like the new skin is starting to appear. You could see healthier skin underneath that is coming. Can you see? And the cracks as well, I really just honestly file. But you should be very careful when you're doing this, because you don't want to overfile. You don't want to have like a sensitive skin. So I've done that. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting a little bit of a cuticle softener, because I have like strong cuticle, like they do go. So I am just pushing it backwards. You should definitely take your time to do this. So anyway, this is like my kind of skin condition. I do really take off my skin, but because it's winter, I've been putting on a lot of socks. I haven't been, honestly, I have been so busy so that I have not been looking at my feet properly. Usually it doesn't get to this stage, but because it was at this stage, I thought I would just do this video. If you have any problem like this, I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. So I really take out any like cuticles. Sometimes at the edge I have like dead skin at the end. So basically proceeding here, you could see that as my vinegar. I put a bit of vinegar in my bowl. I put a bit of salt just to kill any bacteria and everything. I put a bit of argan oil. You could use any oil. It could be olive oil even. So just to soften it. And I put a bit of bath soap just to soften my feet. So that's the amount, and I put warm water. This is going to be amazing. Just put warm water, fill it up as much as you can. So here I'm just pouring boiled water, because I do like my water to be a bit warm. I don't just like it because I want to soak my feet for a long time. So I just really love when it's that extra warm, so that I can really soak it for like 40 minutes. So it depends. So at that point I will just reading my book or just really enjoying it. Honestly, really nice. So you could see I finished soaking. I've been there for like 45 minutes or so. You can see the difference in water. So here I am just trying to show you guys how the feet looks like. So all the little edges on the feet, they've really softened out. You know, some people are blessed with really good feet, but my one is like it needs extra work. So here I'm just taking my scissors to take out any excess skin. You could see there are a lot of excess skin everywhere, and especially that place, because my feet is so prone to cracking. So this usually happens. So it's not everybody that has this kind of fit. Like my sisters, they do not have it. It's just me that have this dry skin and really fit that really troubles me. But it's not it really troubles because I'm so blessed with what I have. That's it. We just need to maintain the things that we don't like in our body. So, but I'm happy that I have my feet that I work with, so that is a blessing on its own. So here you see the cracks. I'm just really thinning it down, really narrowing it, just really working on it. Take your time to do this because this usually when I've done it like this, it lasts for a long time. I don't really need to be doing it like every week. It could go for even like 2 months. So what I do, maybe 3 times a week, I have the file that I use initially when I'm having my shower. I just go in there, file, just regular file. It's always nice. Here I have my little machine. I'm just going to file my feet to try to take out any excess skin too. I will try to link the product that I've used. I will link it in the description box just in case you want to get hold of anything at all. So I just literally just give it a good old file and until I'm satisfied. So I took the smooth part just to kind of really give it a good, I just want to smooth the surface of my feet so that it doesn't have any bumps or any skin coming off or things like that. So this is what I have done. My feet is thoroughly soaked. You can see the difference between my skin, my foot and my leg. It has been under water for a long time. So this is DIY scrub that I did. So this is turmeric, honey, olive oil and sugar. So here I'm just going to honestly just massage those things in, scrub my feet thoroughly. This is amazing, so that any dead skin, to smooth the skin and really make it shiny and to brighten my feet as well. It's very good. And at this point, you could just give your feet a really nice massage. This is what I've done. I just honestly took like probably like an hour and a half just to do this process because I really wanted to really focus on my feet on that day. So this is what I do. Spring is coming. So babe, this is what we have to do because very soon the legs are going to be out, isn't it? So I'm just giving my leg a really nice rinse. So voila, my feet is all nice and clean, scrubbed, filed, everything. So yeah, time to come off. So this is it. This is my feet. You can see how soft it became. So soft. You could see the different, man. Amazing. Like the before and after is just amazing. I will try to insert a clip for you guys to see. It's just amazing. It's so soft. So this is my Flexitone Heal Balm. It's for cracked, dry skin. It's highly moisturizing. So if you have like dry feet, I would definitely recommend this. It has like urea in it. It has a lot of things that is designed for dry foot and things like that. So it's really, really good. I could not recommend this cream enough. So I will link it in the description box just in case you want to get hold of it. It's nice to buy the one with urea. I think it have like 10% or 20% urea in it, so it just makes your skin so soft. Can you see? Absolutely tender. I am so happy with it. Like the cracks are gone. You can see the healthy skin on my feet. It's really, really good. So try to moisturize if it's like every night. So what I do, I usually just pop my socks in like that just to seal in the moisture. So in the evening, I usually do it in the evening, but not every day because I'm so lazy sometimes, just being honest. But if you can, I will tell you, girl, it does work. Thank you so much for watching. Initially I didn't want to share the content, but I am happy I did share it because that's my feet, that's how I look after my feet at home, and the result is amazing. So if you know you like fashion, you like self-care videos, so I usually bring this sort of video on this channel, and if you like it, don't hesitate to subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and positive. Bye bye.